Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a web service with IBM Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your IBM Cloud account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, navigate to the IBM Cloud dashboard. Here, locate the resource list option in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Resource to start the deployment process. In the search bar, type Cloud Foundry and select it from the results. Next, select your desired region for the deployment. Choose Create App to begin setting up your web service. Fill in the required fields, such as the application name and the runtime. Select your preferred programming language, like Node.js or Java. Next, specify the instance type for your application. You can choose a free tier if you're just testing the service. Once your options are configured, click on Create. The system will now deploy your application in the IBM Cloud environment. As the application is being created, you will see a progress bar. Once the deployment is complete, navigate to the app dashboard. Here, you will see the URL assigned to your web service. Copy this URL for later use. Next, click on Manage to access your application settings. Here, you can set environment variables needed for your service. To do this, find and select Environment Variables. Add any variables your application requires. Once everything is set, click on Save. Now, go back to your application overview. Locate the Deployments option in the settings. Choose to deploy the application by clicking on Deploy. Wait a moment while the system processes the deployment. When the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.